everyone, and welcome to another Vlogmas day. So today I am in the parking lot of the 99 cents only store. This is a new store to me. I've never been to this one. It's kind of like out of my way of like where I live, so I've never been to this, but from what I heard, this is like a corporate store, so it's a lot bigger than all the other stores in my area, and they carry really good stuff, so we will see. And yes, I am being a dramatic California girl. It is raining. It's 60 degrees right now and I'm in a beanie, boots, a jacket, everything. I'm all bundled up, and so is Michael back there. So yes, I am hoping that the rain will slow down a little bit and then we can go inside and I'll show you guys what the store looks like. Oh, fun fact, there's a credit union in this shopping center, and this is where I used to work at when Michael and I first started dating like 7 or 8 years ago. We made it inside the store and I am like super wet, and so are my shoes, and we're very wet. Anyways, it looks pretty huge and it's very clean, and there's a lot of toys, so that's really nice. I'm in the food aisle right now and I'm looking what food deals they have, and I can't wait to go check out their produce. Yeah. No, you have to stay in here. No, 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 no. Nobody wants to see your belly button. We don't want to see your belly button. Books and coloring books, which you find at all the stores, but this is actually really cute. It's a weekly list and I kind of like that. I'm wondering how I can use that because I need like 2 planners this next year, and I'm wondering if somehow I can use this. There's also a lot of cute home decor. Like this is super pretty, and this is only $4.99. These are all $4.99. These are super cute. There's this kind of like my mug thing, and this is $4.99 too. There's lots of makeup palettes too, like this contour and blush palette. It's pretty nice. A conceal palette, concealer, eyeshadow. Oh, that's nice. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, this is like really pretty brush set, and this is only $2.99. That's really nice. And these, I know I've seen these at more expensive places, and this is for your earrings. You hang them on there. A jewelry holder. An aisle full of Christmas stuff. Ooh, lots of arts and crafts for kids. Mugs. Lots and lots of decor. Fussy socks. Who doesn't like fussy socks? How cute are these lanterns? These are $7.99, but I think they light up. Let's see. Oh, maybe that one doesn't work. Ooh. Oops. These are so cute though. So they have these gift sets that are only $5.99, and I think they're so cute. You can either gift them just like this, or you can open it and make it into a cute little like pamper yourself basket. I'm back from the 99 cents only store, and I found some really good stuff, but I didn't find what I was hoping to find. But that's what it is. That's how it is with these kind of stores. You kind of go and kind of roll your dice and see if you get good luck or not. Some stores have really good stuff, some stores kind of don't, and you kind of just have to keep on going back and forth, but then you spend tons of money. So I think I'll probably go back to that store, but not all of the time, maybe like once a month, once every 2 months, just to see what they have. But let me show you guys what I picked up today. I picked up a couple of toys. I picked up this Galaxy Flex Track. I thought this was kind of cute. It's basically like a track for your trucks, and it glows in the dark, and I thought that would be a cute Christmas present. Next toy I picked up was this Nerf Sports Perfect Vortex, and this was $9.99, so $10. And then I also picked up this huge box of Shimmer and Shine, and it's like a color play, and like it has like notebooks, stamps, crayons, a little box for your stuff, a little notebook, sponges, stuff like that. I thought this was really cute, and this was only $7.99. All right, so now I'm gonna go inside the bag, and there's no order to this, so I'm just gonna pull things out. I picked up Michael this Storyfield Organic Yo Baby Yogurt. This has probiotics and it's 3 banana and 3 mango. I thought it was really cool that they had this in that store since I normally don't find it there. Usually have to go to Target and it's about $4 or $5. This whole thing only cost me $1. I also picked up more snacks for Michael. I picked up this Nurture Me Quinoa Squares. This is banana and broccoli. Another banana and broccoli, and then a sweet potato, apple, and cinnamon snacks. So I'm sure he's gonna love these. So for Christmas, one of the baskets I'm doing is a gift basket with like hot chocolate and marshmallows and like a little mug. And then in that basket, I'm also gonna add these. These are like a cookie in a skillet, and this is a sugar cookie and a fudge brownie cookie, and these were each $3.99. So I'm constantly switching out my son's toothbrush because he'll like grab them and play with them and they go all over the house. So I picked up these Thomas the Train toothbrushes. There's 3 of them. They're the soft bristles for $1. So I picked up 3 of these things. I've never seen them before, but they kind of interested me, and they're the Air Fusion Bowl Cleaner and Air Freshener. This one is in the fresh linen scent, lemon, and lavender. So basically what you do, you hang this on your toilet bowl, and every time you flush, like it kind of cleans your bowl and gives it a nice scent. So we'll see how it works. Like I said, I got 3 of them, and it says here that they're supposed to last up to 30 days. So we will see. I also picked up this Lysol disinfectant wipes. These are probably cheaper in other places, but I wasn't going anywhere today, so I figured I'd just buy them there. It comes with 15 disinfectant wipes, and I'm gonna put these in my purse, and I'm gonna clean like the carts when we go out like to the grocery store or something, because I kind of feel that's how my son Michael got sick and was hospitalized for 5 days. And I always try to buy these palm olive soaps if I see like the big bottle like this one. So this one has 25% more, so it's a total of 16 ounces. And I personally really like using this dish soap. I think it smells good and it cleans really well, and it lasts a long time. I also like to buy like the big bottle at Costco, but I like to buy these little ones whenever I see them. The last thing I picked up were these Clean Life floor cloths, and I was thinking of using these as hand towels. They look pretty big. I actually picked up 4 of them, and my plan to do is one big one, so I was thinking of cutting it in half and kind of leaving it in the kitchen for when we wash our hands in the kitchen. We can use this instead of using paper towels. I've been really trying to decrease how much paper products we use, and we never have like anything to clean our hands with in the kitchen or dry our hands with. Oh yeah, it's really big. So I can probably cut it in half or in thirds, and it could be a nice towel for us for our hands. Yeah, and then again, these were $1 each. So yeah, I'm probably gonna use that as that, and these are totally reusable, so I'll just wash them and reuse them every single time. Anyways, that's it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the shop with me and the haul combined together. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I also hope you guys are enjoying my little Vlogmas series going on. And Michael just came over here because I think he wants to say hi, so give me a second. You want to say hi?
Hi. Trash truck.
There's a trash truck outside, huh? It's trash truck day. Is it raining today?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's raining, huh? Your hair is a mess because you were wearing a hat. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!